Okay, I can't zoom in on videos. Damn it. I have 3 dogs on you. Here, it's recording.
Ooh.
Okay. Keep playing with my shoes. What? What? Oh, that one's sleeping. It's barking in its sleep. Huh? It's barking in its sleep. Dogs do it, dude. What? Hi. Hi. Don't eat that. Hi.
So cute.
Oh my god, how cute. Hi, baby.
It's a dog.
What? Aww. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. Oh, now they're all leaving me. Don't eat that. Oh. It's always that one, too. You always just... It falls over. Dude, this one is like hardcore gnawing on my crotch. Like, you don't even understand. Hi.
Look at how cute you are.
Don't eat the camera string. Oh, don't. Got my mic. Oh, he jumped up and followed. Oh, hey. Hey.
Pass him over here.
Yes. Come on. He's trying to bite me. Get up! Oh my god! He won't get up. Ow, my legs.
Hey, Mommy.
Hey, Pappy. Just drop the camera a little bit. Oh. Oh. Why is that like roll back? Oh, my leg is cramping.
You put your finger in.
Because
I want to know so I don't
let me. Ow. Leg cramp. 4. 4.
Probably
Yeah, probably. Oh, my leg is really cramping. I need to stretch it out. It hurts a lot, actually. They're all sleeping. Don't eat my shoes! Hold on! Ow, my leg. Ow. Okay. They're all sleeping.
They're the ones that wanted to come out.
Leg dog. Other leg dog.
What are you
other
biting your tail?
part of leg dog.
Look at him. Look at him, that guy.
Biting your foot. Where's the poo?
I don't know.
This one likes my... No! This is, like, oh my god.
Golden.
Hi!
Do you like him best?
Oh, it was like red on my face. So that's not fun. I know, I was trying to get it out.
Life in the day of a teen dog. Who are you? I know who you are.
Where's the poo? Now I really want to know, just in case I sit in it. Oh, it's right there because there's a fly on it.
Okay.
There's a fly in this dog's whiskers.
What is in my shoes?
Hi, baby.
Okay, you guys are so cute.